Welcome to today's mock interview pro session, where we're diving into the role of a computer teacher. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to refine your skills, we're here to help you shine in your next interview. Let's get started with our first question. Could you share an experience where you worked with other teachers to boost the computer curriculum? This question is designed to understand how you collaborate and contribute to a team effort to enhance educational programs. Here are some pointers to help craft your response. Focus on a specific project with clear goals. Describe your role and contributions. Discuss the positive impact on students' learning. Mention any collaboration tools or methods you used. Reflect on what you learned from the experience. Now, let's look at an example. Answer to guide you.
Last year, I teamed up with the science department to weave coding into their curriculum. My task was to teach students how to create simulations for scientific concepts. This partnership not only boosted student engagement but also helped them grasp complex ideas through visualization. We utilized Google Classroom for resource sharing and progress tracking.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Computer Teacher. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Tell us about a challenging lesson you taught and how you overcame the obstacles. This question aims to explore your problem-solving skills and how you adapt your teaching to overcome challenges. Consider these strategies when preparing your answer. Select a lesson with clear challenges. Briefly explain the difficulty and its impact on students. Detail your strategy for addressing the issue. Highlight the positive outcomes for your students. Reflect on your learning experience. Here's an example to illustrate an effective approach.
During a programming class, I saw students struggling with basic concepts. To address this, I broke down the material into smaller, interactive segments. This approach improved comprehension, and students completed their projects with newfound confidence.
Can you describe a situation where you successfully engaged a reluctant student in learning? This question seeks to understand your strategies for student engagement and how you tailor your approach to meet individual needs. Let's go through some tips for answering this question. Identify the student's interests and connect them with the lesson. Use hands-on activities to make learning enjoyable. Incorporate technology or interactive tools. Provide positive reinforcement. Adapt your approach based on feedback. Consider this example. Answer as a guide.
I noticed a student was uninterested in coding until I discovered his passion for gaming. I then designed a project where students could build simple games. His engagement soared as he realized he could create something related to his interests.
How would you handle a situation where a student is consistently disruptive during a lesson? This question assesses your classroom management skills and ability to handle challenging situations calmly and effectively. Here are some strategies to keep in mind. Stay calm and composed. Address the student privately to understand their behavior. Set clear expectations and consequences. Use positive reinforcement when appropriate. Involve parents or guardians if necessary. Let's take a look at an example response.
I would remain calm and address the disruption without escalating it. After the class, I'd have a private conversation with the student to understand their behavior and set clear expectations for the future.
How would you assess a student's understanding of a complex topic like algorithms? This question is about your assessment techniques and how you ensure students grasp complex concepts. Here are some effective assessment strategies. Ask students to explain algorithms in their own words. Use real-world examples to relate to algorithms. Create a simple problem for students to solve. Encourage visualization with flowcharts. Conduct peer teaching sessions. Consider this example approach.
I would ask students to describe an algorithm in their own words, offering a real-life example such as a recipe. This method helps to gauge their understanding and makes the concept more relatable.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free, just grab it below.